Okay, hello guys. Welcome to these interesting videos on View component in React Native. I know you have been waiting for this series about View, and right here you have it. What is View component in React Native? In React Native, a View is a basic building block for user interfaces. You may want to ask, what does that mean? I want to show you real time. What are these user interface? Something like this, and this. It is a container that can hold other components such as text, images, or even under views. Think of it like a box that can hold other things, just like you can put different items in that box and you can also put different components in that box. Let's talk about basic props in Vue. What is a prop? Basically, a prop are like special instructions rather that you can give to a component to customize its behavior. And you can see the form of style, flexbox, and nesting views. When we talk about style, you can see style as a part of customization for the appearance of a view. And if we say customization, we are talking about background color, we are talking about font size, we are talking about margin, we are talking about padding, and other features. If you are used to custom CSS, you should know what I'm talking about. Then we also have flexbox, and you may ask, what is that? That is the layout in Vue. It makes flexibility, it makes your design work in a very flexible manner. Then there's another concept about prop, which is also the nested view. What is a nested view? It's like putting one view inside another. Think of it like a building block. You can stack one block, and that is going to make it more like put one layer on top. Then at the end of the day, you're going to have a very whole package which we call nested views. So what are the use cases for these views we are talking about? There are a series of things which we can use that for. One of such is a container. You can use views as containers to hold other components, and such container, like the usual container, they are going to hold series of components one after the other. Then we have the layout. You can use views to create complex layout and user interface. If we say user interface, you can think of something like this, as well as this. If you use Facebook or you use Twitter or you use Instagram, you can see user interface like where the user navigate to their images, such as the profile section. You can also have the search bar at the top. If you're using WhatsApp, you can have the settings section. You can have those three dots. So these are layouts that compose of your app. Then we have the custom component. You can use Vue to create custom component that can be reused throughout your application. Like if we say custom, you make it yourself. I believe you understand that. Now let's talk about best practices. I want you to keep this in mind as you build your views component while you are working on React Native. Keep it simple, right? You don't want to have too much complicated stuffs in just one view component. Just a few nesting in one view is enough. So keep it simple. Then use styles. Use styles to customize the appearance of your views, and you can have testing and iteration. Test your app. Yeah. Test your view if it is appropriate, if it works on cross-platform, that is on mobile application, on the web, as well as the tablet. Then in conclusion, I want you to know that we have a series in React Native that talk about learning React Native from scratch for beginner. It's beginner friendly. You can access that video up here. You can click on it and watch those videos. And I have a special video on views. I gave a series of examples, and we are going to jump right into the code in that particular video to talk about it, and you can also access it from here. I believe this video has helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.